Today we are going to do unboxing for Acer Aspire 725 netbook. Let's see what it offers. It offers Windows 7 Home Basic 64 bits with Service Pack 1. Processor AMD dual core C60. It's 11.6 LED screen. Memory 2 GB internal memory with DDR3. 500 GB hard disk. We have card reader, LAN, then WAN is not available. We have Bluetooth 4.0, then we have SD webcam. It's a 4-cell LAN battery, and software is a Microsoft Office 2000 preloaded purchase and product key to activate. Let's start with the unboxing for this Acer Aspire 725 netbook. As you can see, there is some cautions on the behind of the box. Let's start with the unboxing. We have a carry bag for Acer Aspire 725. It's a nice carry bag for your notebook. Then we have small how-to guide, I can say. How to open your battery, then to plug your charger, then power on button, then Wi-Fi button, etc. This is a charger for your netbook. We have an international travel warranty for Acer Aspire One 725, and it's a small guide for your netbook. Let's check the netbook. Let's begin. It's a USB 3.0. We have a HDMI port and a LAN port, then your display port to connect dual monitors. And we have a headphone jack, then USB 2.0 and a power cable. You can see this is your memory card reader. It's your battery. For more information, visit techrina.in.